ya. I just wanna love ya.
I was a little surprised that it wasn't more of like a wintry palette. I was thinking like blues and whites and cool tones. But it's an everyday palette and you can never go wrong with that. And I can totally respect the fact that not everybody celebrates Christmas or has winter. So I get that, but I'm definitely gonna use it today for this look. But also popping it with a bold lip. I find the best way to make a basic outfit look amazing is a bold lip and heels. Those two keys will get you absolutely anywhere. So today we actually have a Christmas party we are going to. It's one of my best friends. She always has Halloween or Christmas parties. It's awesome. We're bringing cheesecake. So no, if you invite us to parties, we bring cheesecake. And yeah, so I think it's more of like a PJ thing, but you still want to look good, right? So for any kind of holiday events that are coming up, Christmas events, parties, gift exchanges, even the last day of work before you go on your vacation or you take Christmas off, it's nice to look festive. So hopefully this look will help you guys. So this is the basic for the eye. See, it might look a little, I guess, bolder than you think, but I feel like I'm gonna add some sparkle because holidays, and then I'm also gonna add some lashes. I find with lashes, they always kind of tone down your eyes as much as that makes sense. It makes your eyes wider, but your color palette on your lids a little bit more subtle. So you'll see that with a pop of red lip as well. So hopefully it works out. I added a little bit of that sparkle from the, what is it called? Proof is in the Pudding palette, which is nice. It's very subtle, but I want a little bit more. And every time I want a little bit more when it comes to glitter, I go to my Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. As well, always coat your lashes before you even put fake lashes on, because your hair is probably not black. If it is, you might be able to get away with it, but you also need that differentiation, or you don't need that differentiation. You need it to all look seamless. So fake eyelashes and real eyelashes should all be black. I feel like it's so weird that like the holidays are here already. Like, I'm looking outside my window right now and there's not even snow. Which, I mean, we've had snowless Christmases before, but it's still very weird to me. I always consider like snow the holidays, and I swear in the last month it's been snowing like crazy, and now it's like grass. It's so weird. So my camera totally died on me while I was putting on my eyelashes, but now they are on. You can see that they are wispy, but they're a little bit more on the natural side. Full glam would mean something that's a little bit more thicker, more packed. It's hard to explain, but when you see them, you see them. Think like drag queens, think, you know, New Year's Eve looks. Bring out those big lashes, girl. But also, if you could tell what I was mentioning before about your eyelashes kind of toning down the rest of the look, and now it is all about red lips. So do for you guys today is show you 3 different red lips. Why? Because I remember going into a Sephora and asking a girl what lip color would look good on my skin color. This was a while ago. This is back in like high school, and she looked at me and said, "You have mocha skin. Everything will look good on you." I was like, "Oh, okay, well, thanks." Went and bought the very wrong lip color, and I have regretted it ever since. I wish someone actually educated me and gave me suggestions. I think now we're a little bit more aware of like undertones reflecting in lip colors. Fenty came out with that whole line that's more universal, but here are my top 3 lips, bold red lips for mixed girls. This one was a little bit of a shock to me because obviously it's itsy bitsy. It's one of those ones that you get in a Sephora add-on package. When you order way too much at Sephora, it's awesome. Always do it online because they give you options. When you get points, they give you options of what things you can try out, and I will always go for the lip stuff. So it is itsy bitsy little Shiseido, but it's really nice color, and I was really shocked. And I'm always afraid to apply it because it's such the like tiniest little, it's so tiny. But I'm still gonna, I still love the color and I'll risk it every time. So this is Shiseido Exotic Red in 516. So this is the Shiseido. One thing I love about red lips is that it makes your teeth look whiter. So that is a good tip. Always reds that have a blue undertone will make your teeth seem whiter. So it's really good. I also think it's a little bit more on the pinky side, which again, I find more flattering for more skin colors. Yeah, so I really do enjoy the color. As you can see, a little bit more holiday-esque right now. And it's almost like an everyday red. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's like the perfect pinky red. Speaking of the blue tone, my second one is definitely Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty prides themselves on making foundations, lip care, pretty much majority of their makeup products for every skin color. And not just the way that normal beauty brands claim they do. She goes into an extensive range and amount. And although I'm not one person that wears their foundations just because they're light to medium coverage and I prefer a thick face, but if they ever came out with it, I would definitely try it. For now, I'm just really ecstatic about all their lip colors. I've actually done an Instagram video a long time ago when she first brought out these little lipsticks of the colors that I got and how much I really enjoy them. I also believe I have a blog post, but for the red, it is really universal. So when everybody asks me like, "Oh, what are you wearing? What are you wearing?" I'm like, you can get the same one. Like, don't worry, but get the same one, I promise. So it is also blue toned, and it's more of a, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just like a red. It's a perfect red. It is called Uncensored. I like these sexy names. as you can see, it's very similar to the other one. This one is going to be a little bit more of a satin finish, but also because it's a liquid lip and it's not a lipstick, that means that it's going to last longer. It also, usually with liquid lips, I find that they get dry. This formula doesn't. I don't know what it is. I do have two other colors, the brown and the pink, in the Fenty Beauty lip, whatever it's called, and they do get dry. But the red one, it was one of her first ones that came out, and for some reason, I find that it's velvet all day long. Now, as amazing as this is, it also means that it wipes off on everything. Pros and cons to that. The pro is that it wipes off on everything, which absolutely sucks, but it never comes off your lips. It's very weird. You can find it all over everything you touch. If you touch your hands, you touch your face, whatever it is, it's gonna come off. Your lips are still gonna look fine. So I only warn you that when you're eating, or if you're someone that talks a lot with their hands and finds makeup everywhere anyway, like no matter what, that I do warn you with this lip color a little bit, but it is really cool for the fact that it's long lasting for sure, and it won't come off. You eat, you drink, it's not coming off, and it's the only one I've tried and tried again, and it is just long lasting, true to the word. But not least is the NYX Slip Tease. I first was introduced to this when they came out with, I can't remember the collection name, but I'll put it here, somewhere here. And I bought one of their pink ones. Oh, I wish I knew where I put it. It's probably one of my purses actually. And it's like a nude pink, and a really nice nude pink. I've probably again done Instagram videos with this look, with this lip, sorry, but I loved the formula so much that I went out and got more of a raspberry red for the holidays. And since tonight is a party and I don't want to worry about things rubbing off when I'm eating or having to reapply with such a tiny lipstick, I'm gonna go with this guy, and it is also more of a gloss, which I find is great. My eyes, more of a matte. My lips will pop. As you can tell, it's a little bit of a darker red, like I said before, raspberry, but it's also more of a gloss, and I've been obsessed with it lately. So this is going to be my final going out, very simple holiday glam look with a bold lip. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I have a meeting to get to. So if you recreate this look, please let me know. I will like every single photo you send my way. And if you guys want more makeup tutorials, please write down whatever kind you'd like, and I will probably most likely do it. So just remember to like, subscribe, and support your girl and her tiny YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays, guys.